Hello guys, welcome back to Mega High Tech Systems. You're on to learn with ice and pencil. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can rank your YouTube channel. Just like for instance, somebody type a particular word on the YouTube page, your video is going to pump up. The reason why most times you don't get views, you don't get a subscription, is because there's something you have not done, which I'm going to show you today. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see. All right, let's dive to what we have for today. Rank your YouTube video so that when somebody search on a particular keyword, your video will pop up, and also how you can get views on your video. So the first thing you do is go to your YouTube channel and click on this particular one here, then click on view channel. When you click on view channel, the next thing you want to do is come to this place and click on customize channel. Then you go to settings, click on settings. When you click on settings, this one will pop up. Then go back to this particular place, click on channel. So this is where we are going to work on. So you leave this like that, and you go back to your YouTube and click, just type a particular word. For instance, depending on what you are doing, for instance, you are into cooking on YouTube, you can just type cooking there. You're into how to, you can just type it there. So let's how to. Now when this page pop up, what you are looking for, look for any channel that has a lot of view. Like this one has 14k views. Now I'm not going for that. 5 million views. Let's click on this. So this person has about 34 million views. So let's come here and copy this, then go to that tune pocket, and we paste this. Let's paste it there. That's the channel handle. Then click review keywords. Now these are the keywords that this person is using. So what you do, you copy, click on copy to clipboard, then go back to that particular page you opened before where you have your keyword, click on it and paste. Paste those keywords you copied, and then you save. Then you see that that same keyword, that person who is having up to 34 million views is using, that is what you are using now. So what you are going to do, don't just copy any keyword. Make sure you open to a channel that has a similar thing with what you are doing. Then go copy the keyword and paste on that your keyword space, and you see that your YouTube channel will start having space, having views. So guys, if you gain value from this, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also please do share this channel so that others can also see it. All right, guys, see you in our next video.